Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wellbaby Vitamin D drops. Administering these drops is simple and crucial for your baby's health. The recommended daily dose is 0.5 milliliters, which is clearly marked on the provided dropper. This delivers 10 micrograms of vitamin D3, equivalent to 400 international units, supporting healthy development from birth to 4 years old. Always ensure you do not exceed this recommended amount. Giving the drops varies slightly by age. For babies up to 6 months, carefully place the liquid drop by drop onto a nipple or bottle teat, letting your little one suckle each one. For infants aged 6 months to 4 years, you can easily add the 0.5 milliliter dose directly into their usual milk or water. Always use the provided dropper to measure accurately. To ensure safe and effective use, always keep the dropper clean and avoid direct contact with your baby's mouth. If contact happens, wipe it with a dry, clean tissue. Never rinse with water. After each use, rinse and dry the dropper, but do not use a steam sterilizer. Store the bottle tightly closed, below 25 degrees Celsius, in a dry place, and use within 3 months of opening. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in your baby's early development. It is absolutely essential for the normal growth and development of their bones, helping to build a strong foundation. Beyond bone health, vitamin D also significantly contributes to the normal functioning of your child's immune system, helping them stay healthy. Wellbaby Vitamin D drops provide this vital nutrient in a natural olive oil base.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.